It is Sunday, the 28th of July. It's still raining. I say still raining because if there's one tip I could give you for making transport videos when travelling around, never go to one place and just make one video when you can make two, or in this case three. So this weekend I've done two least used station videos, and while in the north, on northern trains around Manchester, I figured it was time to go track down a Pacer replacement train, the brand new Class 195s. So there's a 12:48 to Liverpool Lime Street, and I'm reliably informed that the new trains are running on the Liverpool route and also up to the Windermere route. And it's my hunch that that'll be one of the Pacer replacers, and if it's not, then I'll just get out of Warrington and hang at Warrington until one comes through. Pacers, you may recall, are these very bouncy trains that bounce around like that. They're old Leyland buses. They were meant as a short-term interim solution. Instead, they've sort of become synonymous as the bane of travel on the rail in the north. There's loads on Northern. GWR have some, other operators have some. They're all going, and they've been replaced by Northern by the Class 195s. Got changed to platform 4A, which is this here. I'm hoping. It's a 156 Sprinter. We'll get it. I guess we'll go to Warrington and try and get one there. Train ran late. We're doing a diversion down at the moment, down through where Acton Bridge is, and a lot of stuff is going through Piccadilly. Piccadilly's a nightmare, it's rammed, and a lot of services are running late. But we're just hanging here at Warrington for a bit, see what happens. I've got a drink. There's a nice lady back there, the guard conductor of this train. This is the 1444, who informs me that there's no 195s running on the Cheshire Manchester Liverpool lines today, but I know that there's one running on the Windermere line, so I've got to go and pick up a train that's come from Windermere instead. Jumping out at Oxford Road because I think it'll be less manic than Piccadilly. And I'm doing a hunt on real-time trains. We will find one. I've come over to, is this platform 1 or platform 4? Because look, it's like it's teasing me. Manchester just got a new ride. Travel and Comfort are now new trains with more direct service to Cumbria, and I got chatting to a member of staff, and that does indeed appear to be the case. So they are running between Manchester Airport and Liverpool Lime Street, but not on a Sunday when it's raining. They're only apparently doing airport to Windermere services today, so I'm going to hang around here, get a tea or coffee. We'll wait and see if this Cumbria service is one. If not, I definitely know there's one up at Windermere right now, so I will just have to wait here and catch it on its way down from Windermere to the airport, and I'll go to the airport from here. So it will happen. It is coming. Okay, small update. It's now 5:10. I've been doing this since well, I sort of left at 11. I got to Piccadilly about midday. But there's something I haven't told you, and that's that as I arrived at Piccadilly this morning, like the second I arrived, before I had a chance to really get my camera out, I saw a 195 leaving north. What actually happens with today's video is that I turned up at platforms 13 and 14 at Piccadilly, and within 10 seconds a 195 pulled in and I found one immediately. I thought, well, that's a good sign. They're obviously out and running today, and they'll be plentiful. So I didn't dash for it because I wanted to go down to the airport, and I then went to the airport and then started my video there. And then I haven't seen one since. We think for absolute sure now that it's got up to Windermere this morning. It's bounced back and forth between Oxenholme Lake District a few times, and it's on its way back down. It is 10 past 5 now. I'm fairly sure it's going to be the 5:59 here at Oxford Road through to the airport, and I'm going to wait 1 more hour, after which I'll have been waiting for 6 hours to try and get this. And I think it's the only one that's out today on Northern on a Sunday, and I saw it and I let it go, thinking that they'd be numerous and plenty, and they're not. It's 10 to 6, still raining, and finally, after 6 hours of waiting, since when I first saw it, I'm having on platform 3. Here's your new Class 195.
Customers are reminded to keep all personal belongings with them.
It's 20 past 6. I didn't film at Oxford Road because it got really busy. Everybody got off at Piccadilly, but then loads more people got to Piccadilly, and we're now at Manchester Airport. Now, I've got 10 minutes until it goes back out again, so there's no time for cutaways, so we're just going to do this in one continuous take. This is the interior of your new Class 195. This is instead of a pacer. This is what you're going to get. These seats, quite nice. There's little lights up here that actually tell you about seat reservations. There's luggage racks there. The table seats, I quite like the table seats because they actually match up with the window, so if you're sat at a table seat, it is perfectly symmetrical. There and also here, you've got these really nice screens. The signs tell you what side the platforms are going to be on, so that's a little bit like the Victoria line on the tube. It's like, you know, doors opening on this side. It also has the date, the time, and the temperature, which I really, really like. There are plugs, Thameslink style. In the middle, no USB, but there's just a 3-pin standard socket down there, and I believe that that is at every seat. You've got a flip-down seat just here, tiny litter bin there, and then through here, this will update in a minute to tell us where we're going. You've got the toilet, which is great, more flip-down seats here, accessible area. That's great for luggage. And it's 6:28 with 5 minutes before it leaves. It's locked door, proper handle, proper clunk. I like it. So it's door open, door close handle, and this is a 360, including the mirror shot of the toilet with baby changing. Nice. And remember, the incredible thing is that these are what will replace pacer trains. Not all pacer trains. What I found out, I remember when I was up in Middlesbrough earlier this year, the pacers there, they'll get displaced 156s. So where these replace the 156s in Manchester and Liverpool, they'll then get displaced everywhere. But everywhere that is now has a pacer will no longer have a pacer train. But pacer trains on some routes will just get the direct upgrade to these units or the electric ones over towards Leeds, etc. And they are nice, new, modern, DDA compliant trains. Yeah, it's forming the 1833 back to Preston, which I don't want to get because I'm going to head to Crewe from here. This is a 3-car unit, just going to get a shot from the end for a thumbnail. That's my thumbnail. And off it goes. It's going to Barrow, not Preston. It goes via Preston. It's the 633. I think it's the only one that was out in service today. There are more of them out in service during the week. But on today, this Sunday, there was just the one. I mean, I literally saw that at midday this morning, and it's now 6:30. Bye-bye train. So I've been in Manchester for like 6.5 hours, and it's rained that entire time.